Breastfeeding is one of the most effective ways to ensure child health and survival. If every child was breastfeeded within an hour of birth, given only breast milk for the first 6 months of life, and continued breastfeeding up to the age of 2 years, about 800,000 children's lives would be saved every year. This is by World Health Organization. Mum's Kitchen is an ISO certified organization, has commemorated 20 years since inception, and is affiliated with WABA, World Alliance for Breastfeeding Action. When it comes to giving back to the society, it is the first standalone restaurant in the whole of India to open an exclusive breastfeeding lounge. The main goal of this initiative is to get mothers out of their homes, have a safe place for them and their babies, because mothers feel embarrassed to breastfeed in public. The problem persists because of the lack of exclusive nursing space in public for mothers, so we have taken the initiative to address this social cause. Mum's Kitchen's sustainable role is to create a 3.0 program: ethnic food, nutrition, and breastfeeding the child for 2 years. Continue nourishment while the child grows to address the social issue of children eating out. Kids nowadays are more prone to junk food, obesity, and breaking up of homes because of reduced eating and bonding during meals at home.